Stop! Hey, wait a minute. Click on the button below. You probably can't hear me. You are wasting money with your auto insurance, and the worst part is you probably don't even realize it. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and I see people making these mistakes all the time. I'm going to give you 3 quick examples so that you can see what I mean. There's one really popular company here in the state of Utah, and a lot of people have this coverage and they don't even realize it. But what they do is that they will only cover you to the full extent of the coverage that you're paying for in the state of Utah. So to give you an example, let's say that you take your family on a trip to Disneyland, and as soon as you cross over that California state border, you accidentally hit a $90,000 Escalade. And in this hypothetical situation, everyone's okay, so we're good in that sense. But you're thinking, oh boy, I'm glad I've got $100,000 worth of property damage coverage on my policy. Well, unfortunately, that's only good back in Utah, and you are now defaulted to the state minimum amount in California of $5,000. So guess who's on the hook for the other $85,000 worth of value from this $90,000 Escalade? You are. So talk about a way to ruin a trip to the happiest place on earth. Example number 2, there's one popular online insurance carrier who does not cover permissive use. Now you're probably thinking, I don't know what that means, that's kind of a lawyerly term. It's all right, I got you, that's where I come in. Is that permissive use, the root word there is permission. So let's say that you let your friend drive your car and they accidentally wreck that car. It's as if they have no insurance coverage because they don't cover permissive use. So if your friend just wrecked your car, they just wrecked you. Example number 3, there's this one carrier and they drive me crazy. They're super well known, but they're notorious for not paying out the full amount on a claim that they should. They kind of find ways to sneak out of it. So to give you an example, let's say that you're driving down the road and some car comes in from a side street and T-bones you. Totally their fault, right? And with this particular company, they'll say, well, you were at least 49% at fault since you were driving on the road, regardless of, even though it was totally the other person's fault. So depending on which side of the claim that company may be on, they're only going to pay out 49% or 51%, just depending on how things shake out. So stop wasting money with carriers who aren't going to have your back come claim time. Stop wasting money on these discount and cut rate carriers. That far too many people switch to these type of carriers so that they can save 20 bucks a month. But if a company doesn't pay out come claim time and they leave you high and dry, let's talk about how long that's going to take you to get your money back at 20 bucks a month. So let's say you have a $10,000 claim, okay, and they don't pay out. It's going to take you 41.66 years to get your $10,000 back. That's 500 months, 182,500 days, 4,380,000 hours. We could keep going, but I'm pretty sure that you get the idea. So stop wasting money with these discount and cut rate auto insurance carriers. Click on the link below. We'll put together a free customized insurance recommendation just for you. Now, I'm not sure how long we're going to have this up because it's probably going to get us a lot of responses, and that's well and good, but we can only handle so much at a time. So click on the link below, and we'll be happy to put together something that is totally free. We're not going to ask for your credit card number or anything like that. Click on the link below and we'll put together your customized insurance recommendation that doesn't cut corners, and we're going to make sure that you get with a company who actually takes care of you come claim time. So thanks for watching the video. Click on the link below and we'll talk soon.